blast off with the letter B. Birds, bright colors, and breathtaking things. Greetings, young adventurers. Welcome back to Alphabet Adventures, where the fun never ends. Today, we're buzzing with excitement as we embark on a brilliant journey with the letter B. Get ready for birds, bright colors, and breathtaking things. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go! B is for birds. Let's soar into the world of beautiful birds that all begin with the letter B. Blue jay, bald eagle, bowerbird. Can you flap your wings like a bird and say these with me? Blue jay, bald eagle, bowerbird. Fantastic! Birds add such melody to our world. B is also for bright colors. Let's explore a vibrant spectrum of hues, all starting with the letter B. Burgundy, buttercup yellow, bright blue. Repeat after me, little friends. Burgundy, buttercup yellow, bright blue. Wonderful! Colors truly paint our world with joy. Now let's unveil some breathtaking things that begin with the letter B. Brace yourselves for the wonders: butterfly, bubblegum, bicycle. These are some amazing things that start with the letter B. Butterflies dance in the air, bubblegum brings sweet delight, and bicycles take us on thrilling rides. What an incredible journey we've had today with the letter B. Birds, bright colors, and breathtaking things have filled our adventure. But guess what? Our alphabet exploration continues. Join us next time as we set sail into the letter C. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and have a fantastic day. Goodbye, little explorers.